Getting rid of the wasps. Morning. It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and we are back out at our trailer, and our awnings are full of sticky stuff and wasps. So we sprayed a whole bunch of wasp out on our awnings. Our landlords did come down and help spray some of this, and now we have Raid Max that we're spraying. And the wasps they're here, but they're not landing really. Oops. So there's one flying around me right now. Go away, wasp. Go away. Anyhow, we've moved everything out from under the canopies. We sprayed them with Raid on top and bottom. Oh, and by the way, this is my tiny tidy, which isn't what I wanted to do, but this is what we're doing. Well, we have this canopy right here, and here's the nasty culprit right here. I don't know what we're going to do about it, but... So, as I mentioned, this is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it is hosted by Sunday Dawn from the Helpful Home. And I would like to welcome everybody to my channel, and if you're a little leery about wasps, then you won't want to watch. Anyhow, we're getting it under control, and David has hooked up the power washer. So we're going to spray and power wash all the awnings and stuff, just to see what we can manage to do. David did spray some blue stuff for stains and stuff for washing your awnings last night. So now we're going to spend some time just cleaning these awnings. And don't forget to watch the playlist of all the other Tiny Tidiers in this collaboration and get lots of motivation to get up and tiny tidy something today. We have a big job here, but that's okay, we'll get her done. At least the water will keep us a little cool. I'm going to have to get the mop in my trailer's just black. It's not mold, it's sticky stuff. The front of our trailer is very, very dirty too, and it's the sticky stuff from the tree plus dirt and stuff blowing and collecting while we were gone for a week and a half. So anyhow, we're just gonna keep on cleaning. There'll be a lot of power washing in this video, and you can see some of the wasps there. And I'm just wandering around filming things, and David's giving it the first power wash. Do you want me to go up top? Or are you going to spray under first? Okay. Yeah, I don't see too many coming off when you're spraying, so. It's a good thing the GoPro is. Maybe you should put a tire so you can get under. Want your hat? What? Want your hat? No. You're okay? Well, it seems like it's getting some of it off. Looks a lot better. Would be nice if we could get them off. He's just started spraying here. Want me to hold that? Gotta love a power washer. That always makes for such a satisfying cleaning. Anyhow, it'll take forever to do it this way. So, I'm sure we're going to spray this down and clean it and then give it a good power wash. Anyhow, it'll be coming up. At this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this content, and say hello if you're new. And I would like to say hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. I'm getting closer and closer to my 1,000 subscribers. And I'd like to send a big YouTube hug out to all my regulars who watch me all the time. Thanks for watching and spending some of your day with me. David is mixing some of this stuff. Wet and forget. So we wet it all down and then we're going to spray it on there. And I think you have to let it sit for a while. We're going to spray it all over and then we're going to spray it off. So that's what David's going to do now. Is he has the blue stuff. You need the ladder?
No.
He's got some of that stuff in that jug. And he's going to spray it on here. And he's supposed to just let it sit. The power washer did take some. But we'll just spray lots up top. It's really bad up there. Well, I'll get on the ladder and reach up there.
I have to hold this, or you're not going to reach.
Is the ladder going to be... Oh, that's kind of stupid. Something on there. It's funny, this side...
Okay, leave some for the awnings.
This side doesn't even...
I know, because the tree's on this side.
Oh. It's not even really sticky on this side. Oh. Well, that's a stupid little cord, eh?
Well, it's not meant for this. That's all you need to spray. Here, I'll spray the underside.
Okay. I'm gonna do that now. Okay.
That's what I mean.
Yeah. So we're going to roll the canopies in and spray, and that'll spray the top. Could be. Still gonna have to really pressure wash it.
I've got to wait longer.
Huh?
Gonna
Maybe
wait more.
just lightly spray it. Wet it again. Might have. So we went inside and we had a break where we let the blue stuff that was sprayed on everything sit for a couple of hours. And we had a little bit of lunch and just rested. And then we came back out to get this job finished. So this is what we're doing now, just rinsing all the blue stuff off. Don't know if you can tell, but doing it this way, I rinse the top and I rinse underneath as well. And the blue stuff seems to be taking quite a bit off and it looks much, much better. So hopefully we're not leaving too much for the wasps who like to eat the sticky stuff. Hopefully we're getting most of it so they'll just go away. That's what we're wishing for. As I'm sitting here editing this video, I'm looking out the nice clean windows that David squeegeed. And this is the best they've looked this year. So nice to have some clean windows. Not unless you get really close.
Well, that's what you do with a power wash.
Okay, well you can do something. Tired. Arms are tired. It's going to take a long time. That stuff on the awning might come off too if we get up that close. And power wash it. Well, we got the front of the trailer all cleaned, and I thought I was getting some really good shots. And apparently, I was taking a picture of the tree. So, this is very, very disappointing to any YouTuber who has done this. But anyhow, we took the brush and we just scrubbed the front of the trailer, and it came off beautifully. Couldn't get all the way to the top, but just about. And it cleaned it up really well. So now we're just here standing looking at our nice clean trailer. So now we gotta get to the top. Anyhow, that's about it.
Yeah.
Well, we got the trailer all washed down, and we think we've eradicated the wasps. The awnings look much nicer. Front of the trailer's all clean. So that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this tiny tidy. And don't forget to watch the playlist of all the other tiny tidiers to get more inspiration on doing tiny tidies. See you next Tuesday. Bye.